welcome to the adventures of Chris and Tara. We are now cruising somewhere in Zadar, going to the National Forest, and we are on a boat. It has quite a beautiful scenery. The water is green. I wouldn't say emerald like Lake Tahoe, but it is a beautiful color green. We've noticed some caves up in the mountains, deep, big, huge holes. And that's it for now. Ciao.
Ciao. Arrivederci.
Hey guys, we're here on our walking tour. This is Krka National Park. There's a little stream right here.
Wow, that's nice right there.
Waterfall. See if I could get you guys closer. Look at this. These little houses.
Okay, just made it into, I think it's pronounced Zadar Park or something like that. And here are the waterfalls that are just 2 minutes off the little boat that we took. So let's check these out. Look at that. And then here's my wife. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
We made it to the waterfalls. Look at this beauty.
Well, take some selfies.
Okay.
The water is so clear. Get that. And the video is gorgeous.
Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Nightfall.
Krka National Forest, where you get to see these gorgeous waterfalls. There's the hubby. I didn't even get you in the picture. You did it too fast. We're on this bridge. And it's absolutely just wonderful. Look at how clear that water is. Something I will always remember. And there's just waterfalls all over this park.